So I had all these leftover deck boards from the cutoff from my first project. So I thought I could make a pretty decent tree swing with it. So first what I did was very scientific here. I just sat on it and kind of measured how wide I would need it to be. And I just made marks using the speed square. Then it was time to cut, so I brought my pieces over to the miter saw, and I also cut a extra piece of 2x4 I had, and I just measured the length by adding the two deck boards together. So then I just laid my two deck boards down and I put the 2x4s on top, and I wanted to make sure everything was nice and square and straight and level, so I screwed in the 2x4 side first and flipped it over and tightened everything down on the top. I did make a mistake here though and could not get the 2x4s flush because I forgot to take the screws out from the 2x4 side. So advice is get a couple screws in the top side, then remove the 2x4 side screws, and then you can tighten them down and make everything nice and flush. So you can see here I'm finally going to remove the screws from the back side. Now it's time to drill the holes in order to put the ropes through to hang the swing. So I am just measuring about 2.5 inches from each side and then drawing a dot right there where the two lines meet, and that's where I'll drill. I am going to drill 4 holes, 2 on each side, and by the way, are my dogs not having so much fun out here? So then I just drilled the holes where I had marked. I'm using a 1/2 inch drill bit. I got rope from Lowe's that was 7/16, so 1/2 inch holes should be good. Okay, once I drilled the holes, I just sanded everything down to make it nice and smooth. I just used an orbital sander. And then I also took a sandpaper pad from the orbital sander, rolled it up, and I sanded out all the holes to make sure those were nice and clean with no rough edges. Then it was time to paint. So once the paint dried, I just took my rope and I fed it through the holes. I also put stainless steel washers on the bottom, and then I just tied a regular knot. I just kind of guessed on the length of the rope. According to these straps I had on the tree. These are just tree swing straps that I bought from Amazon that I have hanging from the tree behind me. And that is pretty much it. I just hung the rope up to the carabiners that came with the straps, and it worked. I think it was a pretty fun project. It was cheap and it works. Thanks for watching.